What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm making some Rasta pasta and some jerk chicken wings, and as usual, before we go any further, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. And without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, and I added some oil earlier to the chicken. Now I'm adding a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of onion powder, a teaspoon of paprika, and I'm going to go in with 3 tablespoons of jerk seasoning. Also, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of browning, and then I'm going to go ahead and rub the chicken together, allow it to marinate for 4 hours. If you have the time, then you can let it marinate overnight. Now, with the chicken set aside to marinate, I'm going to julienne some onion and some bell peppers, as well as mince some garlic for my Rasta pasta. And while you're watching, please go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed to the channel. You probably watched a couple of my videos and you like what you're seeing. Click the subscribe button and become a part of the Greedy Gang. Also, click the bell to be notified every time I post. So now I'm placing the wings onto a sheet pan, and I'm going to bake them for an hour at 350 degrees, and then I'm going to broil them on each side for about 5 minutes, just to get that slightly smoky jerk flavor and color as you would get on the grill. And guys, if you have a grill, by all means go ahead and jerk your wings on the grill, because the flavor in the end is definitely worth it. So now I'm going to make my Rasta pasta sauce, and I'm starting by adding a little bit of oil and some butter to the saucepan, and then I'm going to add some minced onion and garlic, and then I'm going to saute that for a little. And you want to make sure that your heat is at medium to low so that your butter doesn't burn. I'm adding here about a teaspoon of thyme, and now I'm just going to add 4 tablespoons of flour, which is equal parts to the butter I added earlier. You want to whisk your flour in properly and allow the flour to cook a little bit just before you add your liquid. So here I'm adding 3/4 cups of chicken stock, and I'm going to whisk it very well just to ensure that my sauce doesn't get lumpy. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1 cup of heavy cream, and I'm just going to continue whisking the sauce vigorously just to ensure the sauce doesn't get lumpy at all. So now that the sauce has come together nicely, I'm adding 1 cup of cheese, and you just want to make sure that you turn your heat down to low before you add the cheese so that it doesn't burn. My cheese combination is Parmesan cheese, mozzarella, provolone, and ASIAGO. You can use your favorite variety, but I love the flavor profile of these 4. Now here I'm adding some black pepper, and I'm just mixing the sauce together just to make sure everything is, properly combined and the flavor is right. This is good. This is gonna taste so good. So So now that my sauce is completed, I'm going to cook some penny pasta, and I'm just going to boil this for about 10 minutes according to the package. So now that my pasta is done boiling and my sauce is ready and my wings are almost done, I'm going to saute the onions and bell peppers so that I can complete the dish. So I don't want my onions to become translucent. I'm cooking them just enough to still have a little bite to it. Then I'm adding the bell peppers and I'm going to saute them the same way I'm doing the onions. Here I'm adding some dried thyme. I'm adding some minced garlic. And now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning and I'm going to mix that together. Now I'm going to transfer everything into one pot and bring the Rasta pasta all together. Yes, it's getting so saucy and delicious. All I'm doing now is just mixing the sauce to coat the pasta, combining everything together. And of course, you could use chicken breast or thigh to make your jerk chicken strips and add your cooked chicken just before you add the sauce. Then, add your sauce and combine everything together. So here you have it, guys. Rasta pasta and jerk chicken wings. Delicious and spicy. If you don't like too much spice, you can opt to use the Walker's Wood mild jerk seasoning and you will still get that same bold flavor and result. Well guys, thank you for stopping by and I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends and family so they too can see what Greedy Girl Ann is cooking up over here. See you in the next video. Bye.